Hi guys, I'm gonna draw my institute that I studied my mechanical engineering from, and I'm not able to find the view of a specific location that I used to spend my time a lot, and so I thought maybe I'll look at some reference pictures and try and recreate that scene from that angle. I'm gonna use 3-point perspective here. Simple, like there's like a circular stage which I want to be like a oval over here, because I'm imagining that I'm standing right here in front of it, and then how that whole building looks like. So I'm just gonna create that part. So first off, I'll just create my horizon line, which is also my sight line where my eye level is. So now from here, I'm thinking maybe right in the center, right here, the stage is gonna be here somewhere. Yep, looks nice. Now from here, I will go. Maybe this is my center of the drawing, so I'll just go and draw a vertical line over here, and this is where I want my tower to align. Now from here, I would assume, because this tower is gonna end somewhere here, and I want this kind of angle, maybe I'll just draw something like this, which would make this vanishing point. No, I don't think that angle. This looks good. Okay, so it is this part. So I'll say this is vanishing point is somewhere on the table, which I want, and I don't need more of these. And these are just for reference that I can measure and align my elements on this page. Now from here, I can think of design like going to this side, which is the first point on the horizon line, which is also my vanishing point, like that. And then since this point is right here, it's gonna be going somewhere like there. Okay, this is not good because this line doesn't go well. So maybe this line is this much tilted. So if that is the case, then this is gonna go way up high, and from there these lines are gonna be a little straight, not very angled. And these are just roughly, I'm thinking the lines would go like these. And we'll erase these lines later, but just for the sake of putting them here, I think that would be really helpful. Now the vanishing point of this line is going to be somewhere on the table, so I'm just drawing with my imagination. But if you want to be very precise, you can have a bigger sheet of paper, or you could have some kind of marker on the table so that you get these lines done. And similarly, I could have these lines done on this side as well, so like so. Okay, so this is the perspective grid. All right, now from here I can start drawing now. Basically, I think, yeah, we're good. So this was like a 2-3 story building, as you can see in the sketch, in the picture over here. So let's just imagine this is the point where this building stops. Okay, so it goes over this side, it goes down over here, it goes out like this, and then maybe a little more down, goes out like this, and then there is goes down like this, right? And then it goes over here, and this is good. one side, done. And then from here, so now this is the different I mean the angle is not this is not going to this vanishing point, but this vanishing point would lie somewhere over here on this. Looks good. Now from here we go on the tower like so. How high should it be? We have to just look at the details over here, but we can do that later. Now over here there are some windows at this level, so I'll mark 2 points. Maybe this is the height of the window, and I'll mark some roughly points over here. Now these little details would catch anybody's attention if they are not done nicely, because this would be the center point. So I'm using my straight edge for these. Yeah, looks good. So now I can draw some windows over here, and similarly there would be some windows over here as well. Okay, now these could be in line with the others, or just let's assume that they're not, and then we can just see how many windows do we need. Okay, and over here one window. So yeah, we got the windows over here, and of course it doesn't look very nice right now, but we'll detail it out. This is just for reference. So this is good. Now next part is the window on this wall. So, and we have the vanishing point going this side, and I'm taking these vanishing point inside because this building is not like this over here. It's not a box. This side goes inside, so this this particular face is not in 90 degrees to this face, so that's why we have to do it this way. Okay, and I'll do some specific perspective specific videos later, so that you can see how this thing is done. Okay, so this is good and this is fine. And now there were like some stairs which would go up like that, and this is of course the same vanishing point over here, and there were some pillars like this, and just make some thick, and then these stairs would come over here. There was a pillar over here like that, and some thickness would be here. All right, then from here there was, let me just draw the front part, which is more important part for us, because this would be the centerpiece. So yeah, this looks good. Now this vanishing point is here, but this tower, this is not at the same angle, so the vanishing point would be much closer. So maybe imagine like right here for this tower, like that. Maybe let's just make it like this, or a bit high like that. Yeah, this looks good. And let's just imagine this edge is not the center, but this is a little bigger, so this tower is coming like so. Yeah, and then if this is our vanishing point, then more the lines would just go like that. So they just pan out like that. So this line is over here, this is over here, and I'm just drawing it from my idea where I think it should be. I'm not like drawing it with a straight edge now. Okay, so this is good. All right, so from here, and then from here it will go down to the other side, and of course this vanishing point is separate than this one because the angle of this tower is not matching with this or that. Okay, maybe it stops right here, and like this. All right, now from here there is this another section which just goes up a little bit, and from here this is a little more wall kind of structure, and again like that, and this is a little thick like that. Okay, so now it goes down, goes on the side, goes over here, and goes over here. I think we have to make it a little more thicker on this side. This looks good, and there was a little hole in the wall, so to say, over here, and like that. I think this top part could be a little thinner. Yeah, looks good. And then this was a triangle, so the back wall would connect, and then yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, looks good. And let me just erase this section which I think is not making sense, which is this part and this part. Yeah, all right, this is good. Okay, now comes the pattern. So we have to find out how many these little windows are here, so we just count that one. Actually, before that, let's just say where there's the gray, there is a tone difference. So there is that handling, and then this vanishing point, and this vanishing point right here. So there are like some steps, and then like that, like that. So this is good. Now this one of these would fall under this. Okay, so now I got the two ends of this, so I can just draw two lines, and I would just make sure that other squares or diamonds fall into this these two. Okay, looks good. Awesome. And of course there is some thickness on this beam which is being connected over here, and this is of course just a simple section, and this is the beam. Okay, this looks good. All right, there is some kind of tower here. Let's just draw. Maybe there's some strings attached to this, and there's some like some kind of floodlights. Maybe this one is circular. All right. Okay, and yeah, this is good. Now, given this building, this looks a little smaller. Let me just make this a little bigger, like that. Like that. Now there's this other part of the building. So this is the gray which goes on this side. Right there. Now this cannot be as big as these because this part of the building is way behind. So this has to be smaller. Looks good. And let me just clean this up a little bit. And now the vanishing point is there, so this would be like that, and then of course this would be like this. Let's make it a little straight. Alright, now there were some stone tiles which were placed like this. Like that. Okay. Alright. I think this building has gone a little bit far, and it should end maybe like somewhere over here. Now let's look at it from this angle. This definitely needs to be fixed. This part. Looking at the drawing like upside down sometime gives you more insight into what is going wrong. Okay, this is good. Alright, now let's just start doing the inking. Let's try ink this time. So I have trouble like drawing straight lines in all these directions. That's why I kind of move my hand in just one way and then move the paper if I have to make lines at different angles. So that trick kind of works for me. But you can see what works best for you. If you like to move your arm and make different lines at different angles like that, or Everything looks good. We can erase some of the lines now. Yeah, and we can ink it. this was the video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you like my work and would like to support me, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next sketch. Until then, take care.